Welcome to the setup video from the Advanced Blockchain Tools series. Today you will learn how to set up and use the work environment that we are going to need to dive into lower level languages and assembly code for Ethereum 1.0 and 2.0. Here I have opened a fresh instance of the Remix IDE and we are going to make sure that the Solidity compiler plugin is activated and the Deploy and Run Transactions plugin is activated. If they are not, you can go to the plugin manager and activate them here. Remix can only compile Solidity and Yule, but it supports third-party plugins, so we made the MacroAssembly Plugin, which supports Solidity, Yule, Yule Plus, or MacroAssembly subroutines, pure assembly, and pure bytecode, and now it also supports Tailor, a functional language interpreted by the Ethereum virtual machine. You can compile contracts and scripts from all of these languages, deploy and interact with them, so let's begin by registering the MacroAssembly plugin. You can use the MacroAssembly plugin URL hosted on GitHub by copying this URL and pasting it into Remix. In the plugin manager, in the Connect to a Local plugin form. And activate it. And now we can use it. Or we can run this MacroAssembly client locally by copying the Git URL. Make sure you have Git installed on your machine and then clone the repository. And then go to the client folder. Here you can follow the commands from the README file and do an npm install and then npm run serve. And now you can use this local URL to register the plugin. Again, connect to a local plugin, use the local URL, and let's name this MacroAssembly local. Now we are ready for the next step, writing the same program in Solidity, Yule, MacroAssembly, Assembly, and Tailor.